Hi, my beautiful students! Today we will speak about adverbs, namely about adverbs of time and about adverbs of place. Let's start! Adverbs of place. An adverb of place always talks about the location where the action of the verb is being carried out. Adverbs of place can refer to distances. An adverb of place can indicate an object's position in relation to another object, and many adverbs of place indicate movement in a particular direction. Adverbs of place answer the questions где, where, куда, where to, откуда, from where. Let's consider commonly used adverbs of place. Здесь, тут. Здесь and тут are synonyms. Тут is more informal. For example, центр здесь. The center is here. Магазин тут. The shop is here. Там, тут, and здесь are essentially adverbs of place, but sometimes they function as adverbs of time. For example, там посмотрим. We will see then. Тут она мне и говорит. Then she tells me. Но здесь папа остановил говорившего. But then, here, the father stopped the man who was speaking. Налево, направо. On to the left, on to the right. Налево, направо answer both где and куда. For example, the center is on the left, центр налево. The center is on the right, центр направо. But he went to the right. Он пошел направо. He went to the left. Он пошел налево. The next. Влево, вправо. Left, right. Повернуть влево. To turn left. Повернуть вправо. To turn right. And слева, справа. Left, right. Иди слева, иди справа. Go left, go right. Оттуда and отсюда are used with motion or to express a distance. For example, оттуда 5 километров до дома. It's 5 kilometers from there to the house. Я уезжаю отсюда. I am leaving this place. Туда, there, and сюда, here, express motion. For example, I go there, я иду туда, come here, иди сюда. Adverbs of place can be used with the particles то, нибудь, кое to indicate a certain degree of generality or uncertainty. Use the particle to when you are uncertain about exact place or direction. For example, она куда-то идет. She is going somewhere, but we have no idea. I'm not sure where she goes exactly. Or, she lives somewhere in Moscow. Она живет где-то в Москве. I doesn't know about the exact location. Use не будь to be general about options to be made. Давай поедем куда-нибудь. Let's go somewhere. For me, it doesn't matter where to go exactly. We are just generalize this idea. Живи где-нибудь подальше от меня. Live somewhere away from me. The exact location of a person is not important for the speaker. Use кое when you know exact place, but you don't want to talk about it for some reason. For example, Кое-где в лесу спрятан клад. There is a bundle hidden somewhere in the forest. Adverbs of place can also be used with the negative particles ni and ne in front of them. And the particle ni is used in personal sentences. Particle ne is used in impersonal sentences. For example, он никуда не пойдет. He will not go anywhere. Ему некуда пойти. He has nowhere to go. Please note that the verb пойти in this case in the infinitive form because the sentence is impersonal. Commonly used adverbs of place. Везде, everywhere, всюду, everywhere, повсюду, all around, вокруг, around, напротив, across, opposite. Вперед, forward, ahead, назад, back, backwards. Впереди, in front, ahead, позади, behind. Вверх, наверх, up, вниз, down. Далеко, far, недалеко. Not far, близко, near, рядом, beside, около, near, nearby. Куда-то, somewhere, куда-нибудь, anywhere, куда-либо, anywhere you wish, it's about motion. Где-то, somewhere, где-нибудь, anywhere, где-либо, anywhere you wish. Откуда, from somewhere, откуда-нибудь, from anywhere, откуда-либо, from anywhere you wish.